Hi, my name's James Parks and I'm the offer manager for our KQ Loadcentre range of products here at Schneider Electric. So today we're going to look at the new SPD that plugs directly into our KQ Loadcentre boards. We've enabled this to happen by fitting internal fuses into each one of the cartridges inside the SPD, which means it doesn't need any kind of upstream device to protect it. It can be plugged directly into the board. It doesn't need any kind of enclosure fitted to the side or fitted to the bottom of the board. It's straight in there. One thing to take into consideration when fitting this device into the Loadcentre board is that it coordinates with the upstream SPD. You might have that fitted in a panel board or a switchboard, but we need to make sure that these coordinate with each other. The device that you fit into the KQ board is a Type 2 and Type 3. So at the same time as launching this plug-on device, we've got a Type 1 and a Type 2 device that can be fitted into any of our panel boards on a DIN rail. These devices coordinate perfectly with each other to maximise the usage of the surge protection. More information on these devices can be found on our website or on the range pages for our SPD offer. So let's have a look at how to fit this into one of our boards. So looking at the device itself, you can see that it has the KQ plug-on clips. This allows it to be plugged directly into the board. There's a neutral and earth connections allowing cables to be connected, and the cartridges themselves can be replaced at end of life. So let's see how easy it is to fit this to our KQ Loadcentre boards. On all boards, the SPD should be fitted as close as possible to the incoming device. First of all, we need to pull back that little locking clip to allow easy fitting. Next, the SPD is fitted in like all other iKQ devices. So angle it at about a 45-degree angle, push the jaws down into the bus bar, and then push on the back part of the device to lock it in place using that clip on the DIN rail. Now the SPD is in place, we need to cable in the earth and neutral side of it. For this, the earth needs to be as short a length as possible, and for this, we've allowed in this install an earth bolt on the board. All our KQ Loadcentre boards come with these earth lugs and are perfect for fitting the SPD. The cables I'm using to install this have already been terminated at each end. One side has a lugged ferrule, the other side has a ring connection, so the cable can go into the device itself and then onto the earth lug. The specifications for these cables can be found on the instruction sheets of the SPDs. Next we'll fit the neutral cable. Once again, this has been terminated with ferrules, and this allows us to easily connect it into the SPD and then down onto the neutral bar. Again, the cable specifications and torque settings can all be found in the SPD instruction sheets. And there we have it, how easy and simple it is to fit our new SPD into our KQ Loadcentre board. For more information on this product, please go to the range page on se.com.